What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I make my bed every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread, cheese, and eggs.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee with milk.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus to work.
How long does it take?
It takes 20 minutes.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch in the cafeteria.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat rice, chicken, and salad.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
What is your job?
I am a software developer.
Where do you work?
I work in an office downtown.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy my work.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 2 years.
Do you work from home sometimes?
Yes, I work from home 2 days a week.
What do you do at work?
I write code and fix problems.
Do you have meetings at work?
Yes, we have meetings every Monday.
Are your colleagues friendly?
Yes, they are very nice people.
Do you get tired after work?
Sometimes, but I rest in the evening.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 7 p.m.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
What city do you live in?
I live in a big city on the East Coast.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Do you live alone?
No, I share an apartment with a friend.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What do your parents do?
My father is a teacher and my mother is a nurse.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small dog named Max.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza and pasta.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy making simple meals.
What do you do on Sundays?
I usually relax and watch movies.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small blue car.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I want to visit Europe someday.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have good friends in my neighborhood.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy.
Are you a morning person or night person?
I am a morning person. I like early hours.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and read books.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook simple meals.
What do you cook?
I cook pasta, rice, or soup.
Do you eat dessert?
Sometimes I eat fruit or yogurt.
Do you drink water with dinner?
Yes, I drink water every day.
Do you call your friends in the evening?
Yes, I talk to friends on the phone.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I read for 15 minutes.
Do you use your phone in bed?
No, I turn off my phone at night.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 7 hours.
What do you do on weekends?
I meet friends and go shopping.
Do you sleep late on Saturday?
Yes, I wake up at 9 a.m.
Do you go to the supermarket?
Yes, I buy food every Saturday.
What do you buy at the supermarket?
I buy bread, milk, fruit, and vegetables.
Do you visit your parents on Sunday?
Yes, I visit them every Sunday.
Do you eat lunch with your family?
Yes, we eat together on Sundays.
Do you watch movies on weekends?
Yes, I watch one movie on Saturday night.
Do you go for a walk?
Yes, I walk in the park with friends.
What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Sunday.
Do you feel happy on weekends?
Yes, weekends are relaxing and fun.
Do you prepare for Monday on Sunday?
Yes, I choose my clothes for Monday.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm today.
Is it raining now?
No, the sky is clear.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, I enjoy summer days.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring the most.
Is it cold in winter here?
Yes, winter is very cold.
Do you wear a coat in winter?
Yes, I wear a warm coat and scarf.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, when the weather looks rainy.
Is it windy today?
Yes, the wind is strong.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I like playing in the snow.
What is the temperature today?
It is about 22 degrees.
Will it rain tomorrow?
The weather forecast says yes.
Do you check the weather every day?
Yes, I check it on my phone.
Do you go outside when it rains?
Yes, but I use an umbrella.
Where do you go shopping?
I go to the supermarket near my house.
What do you buy at the supermarket?
I buy bread, milk, eggs, and vegetables.
Do you buy fruit?
Yes, I buy apples and bananas.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping twice a week.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I write what I need before going.
Do you look for discounts?
Yes, I like buying things on sale.
Do you pay with cash or card?
I usually pay with my credit card.
Do you carry shopping bags?
Yes, I bring my own bags.
Do you buy clothes at the mall?
Yes, I buy new clothes sometimes.
What size clothes do you wear?
I wear size medium shirts.
Do you try clothes before buying?
Yes, I always try them in the store.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I buy books and shoes online.
How do you return things you buy?
I take them back to the store with the receipt.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, but I don't spend too much money.
Do you ask for help in stores?
Yes, I ask where to find things.
Do you feel sick today?
No, I feel healthy and strong.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I walk 30 minutes every day.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink water all day.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I eat salad with lunch.
Do you have a headache now?
No, my head feels fine.
When did you see a doctor last?
I saw a doctor 3 months ago.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, I take one vitamin every morning.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep 7 or 8 hours.
Do you wash your hands often?
Yes, especially before eating.
Do you feel tired today?
No, I feel energetic today.
Do you brush your teeth twice a day?
Yes, in the morning and before bed.
Do you eat too much sugar?
No, I try to eat less sugar.
Do you go for health checkups?
Yes, I have a checkup once a year.
Do you feel stressed sometimes?
Yes, but walking helps me relax.
What do you do when you feel sick?
I rest, drink tea, and sleep more.
Do you believe health is important?
Yes, health is the most important thing.